Hello, Ragul. What are we talking about today? What do we have here?
We have an excavator.
What's the name of the company? It's like Mattel? What's the company here?
The company is Lefan.
Okay. And is this a real excavator or a toy one?
It's a toy one, but it can move in a direction. It goes straight, left, or right.
Okay, and what exactly does an excavator do? I know it's a toy one, but what does an excavator do?
It could lift and it could dig up sand and when I played with this, I thought it could maybe lift water. So I used water and I lifted up.
Okay, cool. All right, so tell us about the toy, like how to play with it, how you play with it, maybe how your brother plays with it. Yeah, tell us about this toy.
My brother plays with it and he'll play with like this. They'll shake it like this. Maybe I never saw him play this, but maybe you could remember something. I think he'll shake it like this, and since he is not here than me, he will put all the water and put it in the sink or you know that wall they use in this kitchen. He'll put in that wall, and then it'll be so dirty.
Okay. So tell us about the durability of this toy. Is it very strong? And is it strong? Is it durable?
It's strong, but the tires are the tires have rubber ends, so loose. So loose.
Okay, I see. All right. And so again, how long have you had this toy?
I had it about until a long time.
Okay, you've had it for a long time. All right. And what about, I mean, is this for younger kids, older kids? What age range is it for? Can you tell us about who is it for exactly?
Since my brother took the race car, I thought maybe I could have this, but they don't like it.
So is this for little kids like your brother, or big kids like you, or kids older than you? Who's it for exactly?
It's for me, but I think I want something else. So I got 2 toys, but my brother got 3.
Okay.
Yeah, he had the auto, the race car, and
Okay. And so would you recommend this toy to your friends? Would you recommend this toy?
I think so.
Why do you say you think so? You seem apprehensive. I mean, what do you think? Would you really recommend it, and why?
Because it's very big and it could lift a lot of water and sand. But if my friends don't like it, I think they could have another one of these Lefan toys. There's also another one like this, but it didn't have like this extra one.
Okay, cool.
And one of them can use this and they can lift up cars, and the other one they have this big stubble, and then they'll put it and they'll push it, and then you can bring a lot more sand in this. And after that, the other one oh yeah, the other one they had one of these. Oh right, I forgot. They had. I think they had one. I think they had one one is water source.
Hmm. Okay, and so do you like playing with this toy because you want to work with these machines in real life? Would you like to operate a real excavator like that?
No thanks. If I have to go home and drive with this, it's very big and the cars are very small.
Hmm.
I might accidentally hit. I use my excavator and hit one of the cars. So I'm not going to have to do that.
Mm.
And
Okay.
besides, steam is coming out of the backside.
Okay, great. Well, anyway, this is your first toy review. So anything else you want to say to the audience? Anything else?
Yes. If you like these, if some of you guys like these toys, if you buy it, order and buy it, and 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 if you don't like one of these, there'll be more of these toys. They'll be like those lift uppers. They can lift it. And please subscribe and subscribe channel and don't forget to click the bell.
Hmm. Cool. All right.
And
Well. All right. Well.
and some of
Anyway.
these toys
Mhm.
are some of these toys can also lift things. And if you have there'll be more toys there, so you could lift it and lift cars and that's all I know.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Ragul. That was a lot of detailed information. Hopefully, we see you again for another toy review. Thank you, Ragul. Say bye.
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 Bye.